Hello everyone, welcome back with another very useful and informative video. In this video, I'll show you if you're facing this type of problem on your iPhone device about the Face ID. A problem was detected with the TrueDepth camera. Face ID has been disabled. So if you're having this type of issue on your iPhone device and Face ID has become disabled and you are getting this type of notification on your Face ID and passcode option. So in this video, I'll show you how you can fix this type of error on your iPhone or iPad device. So now let's get started how you can fix this problem. First of all, here you will need to close this tab. After that, here you will need to open setting on your iPhone or iPad device. And then after that, here you will need to scroll it below, tap on general, then tap on software update, and here make sure that first of all you will have to make sure that you are using an updated version of iOS. If you don't have an updated version of iOS, then you will have to update your iPhone device to the latest version. Then after that, check that the problem fixed or not. If you are having still this problem, then you will need to again open setting, then here scroll it below, so search here Face ID and passcode, tap on this, then after that enter your iPhone passcode. After that, here you need to scroll it below, then here you will need to tap on reset Face ID, then here you will need to reset your Face ID. So here you will need to restart your iPhone device by tapping on the volume up button, then volume down, then after that press the power button until the Apple logo appears. So here let's get started. Press the volume up button, then press the volume up button, then volume down, then press the power button until the Apple logo appears on your iPhone display. So here you will have to hold your thumb until the Apple logo appears on your iPhone display. So now you will have to release your thumb. Now let your iPhone device to restart. Wait a while here. So here you will have to unlock your iPhone device. Then again open setting. Then here scroll it below. So tap on Face ID and passcode. Enter here your iPhone passcode. Then from here you can see that the problem has been fixed and that notification has been disappeared from my iPhone or iPad device. So in this video, if you're having this type of issue on your iPhone device, so these are the methods through which you can fix this type of error on your iPhone or iPad device. So hopefully after these settings your problem will be fixed and you will be able to enable the Face ID on your iPhone or iPad device. So that's it from this video. Hopefully you like this video. If you like this video, then please subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon so that you can get my all upcoming videos. Thanks for watching this video.